Hello guys, hope you all are well. I am Keshav Chipa and welcome to my new video. In this video, we will gonna talk about the most demanding video of Salesforce, which is Agentforce. So the Salesforce introduced Agentforce in 2024, and from there only it is always in demand. And now let's jump into this. I've already made a video on the prompt builder. You can just go and watch that. And today we're gonna talk about. So initially it was like a agent builder, but now it is become like a agent force agent now. So okay, let's deep dive into this. So before that, before agent, let's understand what is Agentforce. So Agentforce is a Salesforce AI agent platform where other organization came and they can just create their own AI agent. So as we know that AI agent, they can do their work by own and they just need to have one prompt. We just need to provide one prompt and they can just do their work by their own only. So let's understand with this with an example. So let's suppose I place an order and unfortunately it just got like misplaced or something like that. So my prompt is like, please check my order whether it misplaced or not. And if it is misplaced, just create a new replacement order. So that is my prompt. So what agent will do that it just understand the request first. Second, it just check my order. Third, it will check my shipping status. Fourth, it just check that whether it's misplaced or not. If it is misplaced, then it just create a new replacement order and just send me the notification. So that's all five, six, seven steps they just do in a like a in a blink only. And if let's suppose if human does, it will take time, right? So that is the beauty of AI agent. So as we know that the ChatGPT and the Gemini are in demand. So what is the difference between the ChatGPT and the Agentforce agents? So let's understand that ChatGPT is a smart assistant to whom we can talk, right? We can talk anything to them, and they can just provide me the information as I wanted. And the AI, the Agentforce agent is a smart employee of your business or of your organization to you can just talk related to your organization and business only, and it will give you answers on the basis of that only. We can't talk any out of the world things. So that is the beauty that for your business, that is the like a best AI thing you have. So that is the basically agent force agent. So in this, as I told you that this is a definition of this, and in the next slide, we have like a how an agent force agent works. So as I just give you an example, right? It just take the request. It just okay. So if you can just see the receive a request, understand the intent, retrieve relevant information. As I told you that it just retrieve the my order, my shipping status, and all the reasons, and decide. It just decide on the basis of our prompt only because in my prompt, I have just given the information that if it is misplaced, then just create a replacement order. So that is come under fourth point, and in this we have like execute actions and the response to the user. So this is all I can say the steps of agent. Okay, so now let's come on to the demo because demo is the main thing, right? We should learn. Okay, so this is Agentforce enabled org. Okay, so you can just directly create from here. If I can say Salesforce Agentforce edition org. Okay, so um, yeah, over here, Salesforce developer edition. Yeah. So from here only, it will create like a free trial org, and you can just create your uh, agent, like Agentforce org only. So if you can see, like, let's suppose you got an org and you have like a entire org. So first of all, how you need to enable few things, right, to make sure that you can just create an agent. So first of all, you need to enable this toggle that it is a turn on Einstein, first of all. And after just enabling this, you need to just refresh your this org, and you can see this agent force agent will gonna become in the quick find, and you need to enable this agent force and toggle as well. Once you enable this, you can able to create an agent so that this button will gonna be visible on your screen. So let's suppose if I click on this new agent. So what is my requirement is that I need to create a one service agent for Mercedes Benz. Like if any customer came across and they just wanted to complain you regarding their car and all, so they can just chat with you and just create a case on the behalf. Okay, because if human like normally people they if they travel to the Mercedes service center, that will take time, right? So what you can do, you can just create a case and the service agent will directly call you back. So this is the like this is the how the I can say this is the most basic application of Agentforce, that you can just create your cases. I'm just talking about the like service cloud related things as of now. Okay, so that is my basic requirement. So today we're gonna create a one agent to whom we can just create a case by just providing the information and all. Okay, so this is like a select an agent. So we have like a multiple kind of agent template. We have like a service agent, field service mobile, the security, the search agent. So these all kind of agents are available over there. And if you are just have a doubt that what agent should I choose, so you can just create a like a you can just give a like a description what you want to do. Let's suppose I want to create a service service agent for my Mercedes Benz car, for my Mercedes Benz company. Okay, so as you click on this, just click on next. It will directly create your agent. So it will directly like customizing your agent only. So if you can see over here, it just provide a customer care agent kind of thing, and it just directly created a role for you. So that is the beauty, right? So it just directly just created their own role, right? So it just created a role and all. You can just here say this your company is a Mercedes Benz, and you just need to provide that is what your company does, right? So let's suppose my, my company builds car and parts, and it provide services. And this is a new agent. So this it will create like a new agent for you, which is like a Einstein agent only. And once you click on the next, it will just add the sub agent. So if you want to like build your own sub agent, so you can just remove this by clicking on this button. And once you click on the next, you can see the agent builder. So as of now, I've already created like a agent. So I'll walk you through that. So this is my Mercedes-Benz service agent. And as I told you, like after that particular screen, this screen will gonna be pop up. Okay, so this is like this is the main screen, and as I told you that as you remove those add-ons, okay, so these are the basically sub-agent. If you remember, I just click on this edit button, so that got like a removed from that basket, right? So these all are the sub-agent over here, and okay, so let's click on the first account management. So in this account management, what I've done, let's suppose if any customer came across, right, and they just say that I have issue in my car. So how the bot analyze that which customer it is, right? So what agent does, that agent asks for the mobile number, right? Uh, from the customer, like because on the basis of email ID or mobile number, we can say that okay, I can I know you, right? So, okay, so this is account management. So I've just given the name, the classification, description. Description is when this agent, sub-agent will gonna be called. So as I just written over here, that this is the first and foremost article. Whenever user complain and tell issue of their car, then use this sub-agent. So whenever we have a complaint or issue, this management sub-agent will got called. So scope is there. Okay, so what is the scope? Like what you want your agent will do, right? So you can just write over here that your job is only to ask the account phone number, execute action, get account asset information on the basis of given account phone number. Okay, and just show the asset summary on related to your records, right? That's all. So I've created one agent like get account asset information. So first of all, like as you receive the account phone number, right, you just need to call an Apex or a flow or like a API to get the account and asset information. So why I'm telling the asset, like asset is, let's suppose you have account of let's say Keshav. You have account of Keshav and Keshav has a two assets like GLA 400, GLA 350. So I have a two asset of Mercedes Benz. So those are the asset and your account is like a Keshav only. So in this, I am calling an Apex class, okay, to get the information of my account and my asset. So here I'm passing the my phone number. It will automatically like retrieve from our conversation which we are having, right? So it will automatically fetch and it will just pass that particular parameter to the Apex class. Okay, cool. And it will give you these outputs. So let me just walk you through with the Apex class. Okay, so you have this Apex class over here, right? Uh, so this is basically a normal Apex class where I'm just passing the account number. If you can see that I'm passing the account number over here, okay? And on the basis of account number, it just fetching the account, and on the basis of account, it just fetching the asset, and it just creating a like a normal string I can say, and if you can see asset summary over it, it just creating and just returning it. So I have like a one request which is my account number, which is like an incoming parameter which is an invocable variable, right? And this is our responses where like account ID is coming up, account name is coming up, and the asset summary is coming up, right? So these three information which we needed, and we need to create a invocable methods only to if you want to call like a Apex class, right? So you need to create in a invocable method over there. So where is my agent? Okay, and here you can see these are the output, and yeah. So if you can see that account name of user, right? So it will just fetch the account name of user, and I just enable this show in the conversation, which means that this particular response will gonna be visible on the chat or in the conversation, you can say. Same for the asset summary, right? So this is all. And one more thing I left, like these instruction, right? So these are the instruction which you want your agent to do, like in a point wise, right? So first step is ask for account phone number. The second step is after receiving the account number, execute that particular action which I just saw you, like the get account asset information action. And the third step is like show us summary on the basis of the conversation, right? So that's all for this. And the case management, like so in the case management, this particular sub agent will gonna be called once you selected the asset, right? So in this case management, we are just creating a case. That's all. In the before creating a case, we want some information like description, subject, or the priority. We can ask for few more information as well, but as of now, I just ask for three information only. So as I told you, like the classification description, what is it, and the scope. And after that, I just put it instruction that first of all, we will ask for case subject, case description, and the priority. And second step is once you get all these three information, just call the create case action, right? So I have this action. So in the account management, I've called Apex class, but in this I'm calling a flow. So you can just get to know like how the Apex class and flow is getting called. So I have this flow where I'm just passing the these particular parameters, right? And after passing it, like account ID, asset ID, description, priority, subject. So these all information I'm passing from the agent. And after this, it's just getting created. So that's all. So that's all. I'm just passing it a required input, collect data from user, account ID, asset ID. They all are like coming up over here. So these things automatically get populated, right? So once you creating a variable, right? So make sure let me just show you an example, right? So if you can see available for input, right? So if this particular like checkbox is checked, you can you can see this. You can see like this kind of blue screen automatically because this is not something which we are creating. It's just automatically coming from the flow only. So if you can see the output, I have enabled only one thing. So what is case number, right? So uh, yeah, case number is available for output. So that's why only that particular case number is visible on the screen. Okay, so these are the actions. Now let's chat over here, right? So let me just refresh it. Okay, so the demo, let's suppose I just message it, hi, I have a issue in my car. So as I just messaging over here, it just showing me the debug response of every chat and what this agent is doing in the backend. So I'm messaging that I have issue in my car. So it just say that could you please provide me your account phone number? Okay, so as I just say that issue in my car, it just call this account management and it just asks me for mobile number, right? On the basis of my instruction which I had given already. So my mobile number is 909090. So on I've created one record in the back end which has this mobile number or phone number I can say. Okay, so basically this is Karen Walls. So if I can show you Karen Walls and this is XGLE 300 and GLE 450, right? And it currently it has like a zero cases available over there. Yeah. So let's suppose I just clicked on ZLE 300. It asks me for subject, right? So subject, let's say headlamp issue is headlamp like intensity is fallen down. Uh, it's not too much. It's not too much bright now. Having issue in highways. Okay, and what's my priority? Because this is dangerous, I can say, so I can just give a high priority ticket. So as I click over there on the action, so it just say your case is been successfully created, and that's all coming up, right? So this is like a case management. Right, so this is how this all chat is working, right? So if I can show you my get account asset information, this Apex class call, right? So I just pass the account number and this is giving me the all the responses which I needed. So this is our response which is uh, as shown on the UI. So this is how this all chat works, right? So it just say that our service agent will contact you within 24 hours to assess the headlamp issue. Let me know like if there is anything else I can help you with. So this particular message, right? Our service agent. So this I have provided already in the case management. If you can see uh, over there that and like create a case action and give a message like your case is created successfully and your service agent our service agent will contact you in 24 hours. So this is how you can just manage this thing. Okay, so let me tell you that whether the case is created or not. So you can see the headlamp issue, the case is created. and it just created by the instance service agent user. Headline picture is fallen down. It's too much bright now, having issue in the highways. So this is how seems like the count and the asset is not in the particular layout, but I can show you that it is linked to that record only. So if you can see the count is linked and the asset is linked. Let me just open it and the asset as well. So that particular account, this like case is Karen Walls and this asset is for the GLA 300, right? So that's how this all agent is working. There are so many stuffs you can know, and there are so many applications you can if you want to just uh, create a like a FNO chat, and you can just create it, and service agent, sales agent, you can just create any kind of like a chatbot over there, right? And there are so many things like if you are not comfortable with the like a bot answers, you can just say that route to a like a human agent, so it will directly route to like a human agent. So that facility is also available in the Salesforce. And before that, before ending up this video, I can say that there are some permission this agent Einstein agent user needed. So as I created one class, right? So you must provide the Apex class permission to permission set and just assign the permission set to a user itself. And you just need to provide the account and case read only permission and the case create permission as well. And just also provide the run flow, which the system permission. Just provide that as well. So your flow will get called. And so that's now for this video. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.